Hey tech enthusiasts! We are officially in late 2026, and if you're still just using your wearable for counting steps, you are missing out on a massive revolution. Wearables aren't just fitness trackers anymore. They've evolved into clinical-grade health companions and seamless AI assistants. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 revolutionary wearable tech gadgets you need on your radar right now. Number 1. The powerhouse, Apple Watch Ultra 3. Kicking things off at number 1, we have the gold standard for iPhone users, the Apple Watch Ultra 3. This isn't just a watch, it's a survival tool. With its new satellite and 5G connectivity, you can stay connected even when you're completely off the grid. It features a stunning 3,000 nit display and a battery that lasts up to 42 hours, making it the most rugged and capable wearable in Apple's lineup. Number 2. The Smart Ring Revolution. The latest smart rings, for example, Oura/Samsung. Coming in at number 2, we're seeing a massive explosion in smart rings. If you hate the bulk of a watch while you sleep, this is your game changer. Models like the latest Oura ring and the Samsung Galaxy ring are leading the pack. They are incredibly discreet, perfect for continuous sleep tracking, and can even handle basic authentication like unlocking your car or paying for coffee. Number 3. The Android Contender, Google Pixel Watch 4. For my Android fans, number 3 is the Google Pixel Watch 4. What makes this one stand out is the deep integration of Gemini AI. It's not just reporting your heart rate, it's using AI to provide predictive health insights that actually explain why you're feeling a certain way. Plus, that iconic domed teardrop design is arguably the most stylish look in the game right now. Number 4. Smart glasses, the new frontier. Number 4 is all about the future of AR. Next-gen smart glasses. In late 2026, we've moved past the clunky prototypes. New smart glasses are focused on quick voice prompts, subtle visual overlays, and hands-free AI interaction. Whether it's live language translation while you travel or hands-free navigation, these glasses are designed to disappear into your day rather than distract you. Number 5. AI-powered hearables. Finally, at number 5, we have the evolution of hearables. We aren't just talking about music anymore. Modern earbuds now leverage advanced bone conduction and directional audio to translate conversations in real time. Imagine walking through a foreign country and hearing the vendor's words translated seamlessly in your ear. It's not science fiction anymore. It's 2026 tech. The bottom line? The wearable tech market is projected to hit nearly $100 billion this year for a reason. It's becoming a fundamental part of how we live, stay healthy, and interact with the world. Whether you want the rugged reliability of an Apple Watch Ultra or the invisible convenience of a smart ring, there has never been a better time to upgrade. Which one are you picking up? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI and tech news.